99% of traders makes this mistake and it keeps them broke. "99% of traders makes this one mistake. It doesn't matter if they are trading Forex, futures, indices, gold, or even crypto. This single habit destroys more accounts than bad strategies could ever do. If you can fix this one thing, your trading could completely change. Now let's look deep into it. Most beginner traders think like this: I just need a better strategy, as they say. So they end up spending months and months on buying indicators, watching YouTube videos, copying traders, which they have no idea if they're profitable or not, purchasing expensive courses, but yet they still lose. And why is this? This is not down to their strategy usually. Their biggest problem is poor execution. You see, a mediocre strategy executed with discipline will often outperform an excellent strategy executed with tons of emotion. Their mistake is taking trades that do not meet their plans. It sounds simple, but this is exactly what most traders fail at. Imagine your strategy has 5 rules. Instead of waiting, you convince yourself, oh, this setup is close enough to my strategy. It will probably work. And you say to yourself, I don't want to miss this move. And suddenly you enter a trade that your strategy never told you to take. Now you are starting to gamble instead of trading. Fear of missing out. Every trader experiences this. FOMO. The price isn't moving. You weren't ready. Now candle keeps getting bigger and bigger. You start panicking. Oh, if I don't enter this trade, I'll miss out on everything, you say to yourself. So you buy, you get into the trade. Right before the market pulls up, then you get stopped up. The market continues exactly where you thought it would go without you. This happens because you chase the move instead of waiting for the setup to come to you. Professional traders don't chase trades. They wait. They stay calm and patient and wait for the right amount of time or the right setup to come in so they can get into a trade. So let's imagine 2 traders. Trader A takes every signal, random entries, emotional trades. After 100 trades, he or she only wins 42%. On the other hand, we have trader B. Only takes A setup trades. Maybe he skips 20 opportunity trade. He takes a high quality. After 100 trades, he or she has 65% winning rate. The difference wasn't the intelligent, the difference was patient. Most traders think it's only one bad trade, but no, one bad trade becomes another bad trade, and another bad trade, then another bad trade. Then you start revenge trading, then you oversize your positions, then the emotional decision kicks in, and eventually one bad decision turned into blown account. So what should you do before entering a trade? You should ask yourself, is the market structure clear for me to get in? Is my setup valid? Is my risk defined properly? Am I entering because of my setup, or because I'm scared of missing out? If you cannot answer each of these questions, then don't trade. Sometimes not trading is the best trade or the best decision you could make in that moment. Some people believe successful traders are smarter. No, this is not the case. They're not smarter. They are more disciplined. They follow more rules. They accept their losses. They mainly protect their capital. Just remember this: the market will always give you another opportunity. You don't have to chase every move, or you don't have to catch every move. You only need to catch the right moves, and those right moves will send you up in a very good path. So start doing this after every single trade. Write down why you entered the trade in the first place, whether you follow your rules according to your plans, how you felt while entering the trade, and what you learned at the end of the trade. If you start doing this within 1 month, you will notice patterns. Most traders don't lose because of the market. They lose because of themselves. Okay, I'm gonna leave you guys with this. The goal isn't to win every trade. The goal is to become the type of trader who consistently follows their progress or follows their plan, because profit are simply the reward of discipline. If you learned something from today's lesson, hit the like button and subscribe to Paper Last. Every week I break down trading psychology, price action, and risk management to help you become a more consistent trader. And remember, map the market and master the pip. Catch you on the next one.